Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful and cute funny picture. Here I will learn you a beautiful giraffe drawing who is riding a beautiful scooter. So follow my every steps and try to draw with me. Let's continue the drawing. Do you like this picture? Isn't it more funny? A cute giraffe riding a cute scooter. I completed the picture. Now let's start to color it. First one I'm using light pink color. Color, which color do you want? I want light pink color. This is called light pink color. And now I'm using the dark brown color. Color, which color do you want? I want dark brown color.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe.
I'm using yellow color. Color, which color do you want? I want yellow color. Wow, the giraffe and his scooter is looking so beautiful. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye bye little gems. Wow!